In the past 21 days, the Lunc Classic have now destroyed 6.2 billion coins of Lunc Classic LUNC. 6.2 billion coins has been destroyed in 21 days. Wow, this is a lot of coins. But almost half of these was burned that was 1st of July by Binance. Now, Lunc Classic, based on weekly burning, they have also maintained between 500 to 1 billion bonds. So by the time you calculate this together, Luna is burning about 6.2 billion coins, and I'm happy. And if you want to compare last month burning to this month burning, I believe that this month Lunc Classic, like let's assume that 1st of August, if Binance are to burn Lunc Classic, I believe they will be burning more coins than what they burn this time around. Remember, they burned about 2.6. Now I believe Binance will definitely be burning more coins. Okay, and I'm hoping for that to happen. So, but one good thing is about 6.2 billion coins of Lunc Classic has been destroyed. 6.2 billion coins has been taken out of the supply and out of the circulating supply. So let's keep on burning, let's keep on supporting till we keep on hitting about 20 to 50 billion bonds on a monthly basis. That is the dream, to start burning 20 to 50 billion coins, which I know it still means we are still far away from burning half of the Lunc Classic supply, but at least let's get to that level first, then we'll now start talking about burning more coins. So for today, I'm happy. Based on the total calculation of Lunc Classic, about 6.2 billion in 21 days, in 3 weeks, 21 days. Why Bitcoin have also dropped, BTC continued to drop. Yesterday, Bitcoin dropped, Bitcoin traded on red, and today, BTC continues to trade on red, still trading at 29,000 plus. But if BTC continue this way before this new week we are entering, it means BTC might even drop down to $26,000. So I just hope for Bitcoin to rise, so that so many coins will also keep on rising, because we hope BTC to end this month trading at over $34,000 to $37,000 if it is possible. But if Bitcoin continues to drop, BTC might drop. This week, Bitcoin might be dropping to $26,000 or $28,000, which is not really good for crypto industry. And for Lunc Classic, I'm happy with what they have achieved also this week, despite the continuous fall in price from most crypto coins. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.